this speed, we are living in a speed age, speed yuga. Speed is so for a coffee, instant coffee. For a tea, instant tea. Traveling, super fast we are preferring. So everywhere that is trend.
I must congratulate and express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Governor Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai for his visionary initiatives. By bringing the traditional experts from the Kerala to perform this treatment, you are ensuring that we preserve these trees for future generations, and for this the Goa is truly grateful to you. On this auspicious occasion, it is also deeply significant that we come together in prayer at the Ganesh temple in Goshala and the chapel at the Raj Bhavan. These places of the worship symbolizes that unity in diversity, and that is the very soul of India. Our culture teaches us the spiritual and reverence for the nature and intervention, and today we offer the prayers, and we are reminded that true progress lies in protecting both our spiritual values and our environment.